day in, day out, training like a champion to be a champion. Meet Johanna Catalina Restrepo, or as her friends call her, Cat.
Around 14 years, I started to practice Taekwondo. When I come here, after 1 month, because I really love Taekwondo, I talk with my husband. I say I need to find a place for in training and try to grow here too.
Taekwondo, or the way of the foot and fist, is a Korean combat sport, one of the most popular in the world. The game is easy. One kick to the body scores 1 point. A kick to the head is worth 3. Add a spin to your kick and you can get 3 points for the body and 4 points for the head. But in this sport, you're allowed to knock out your opponent.
Got the title.
The only place we found WTF was the university in CU.
Kat came from a city in Colombia called Medellin, the second largest city in the nation. But with a promising career in Taekwondo, plans to join the military, and countless friends, the question is, why did she come all the way here to Boulder?
The answer is very simple. I come here to for my husband. When I was in my country, I want to be part of the army or something like this, but in Colombia it's very expensive. So when I have the opportunity, when I have the money, when I have the things for go inside, they say for my age, I can.
Kat plans on competing in the US Open, the most competitive open tournament for Taekwondo in the world. And until the games begin in January, she's racking up as many points as she can at local events.
But actually, in my country, they make a different open. And many people come Costa Rica and República Dominicana. And always I was a champion too. Always I won in my category.
Kat plans on becoming a police officer in Colorado, and in the meantime will operate her own school here in Boulder to teach Taekwondo for self-defense and competition, but also to inspire people. For this woman, Taekwondo is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle.
I really love Taekwondo and I love teach. I teach many years ago, around 10, 11 years. And the other things I really want to do is work with women. The women believe more in themselves. You know, when I'm starting this, for many years, I listened. Some people say, you are very small for this sport. You are not enough strong for this sport, many things. People don't believe in me. So I am training very hard, and when I fight, I'll show them who is the best.